Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video guide, I want to show you how to install Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot blends the power of OpenAI's model with Microsoft ecosystem. It is a productivity powerhouse that can leverage information from your Microsoft 365 account, help you create documents, summarize data, and even generate images. It is ideal for users who are already invested in Microsoft Word. How to download this? Android/iOS, search for Microsoft Copilot in Google Play Store or App Store and install it. Windows, it may be integrated into Windows 11 or available for download from Microsoft Store. Web, you can access it directly at copilot.microsoft.com. So select Play Store, select App and search Microsoft Copilot. Click on it, Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Corporation, 4.7 stars, 2 million reviews, 50 million plus downloads. Select install. App is installed. Select open. Hey, how's it going? So you can sign in, or if you select these three dots, show you home, discover, library, and project, you can sign in. Or if you go to the settings, give you option for you to select account, voice settings, shopping, give feedback, take the latest survey, and about. If we go back again, message Copilot. Hello, give us 3 images of 3 side hustles to sell online. Give us images of 3 side hustles to sell online or information about it. Then it's send, submit. Then this is the information. 3 strong online side hustles you can start quickly, each with a visual reference and a short practical breakdown so you can decide which fit your style. The first one, print on demand, selling custom designs without holding stock. You create a simple design, text-based quotes, minimal graphics, upload them to a POD platform, and they handle printing and shipping. Great for beginners because you don't need inventory, packaging, or upfront cost. This is a good example. Print on demand. So you can print like t-shirt, cup, images, etc. How to make money. T-shirt, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, posters. You can earn margin on each sale. Works well when paired with social media or Etsy. Why it works? Zero inventory, scalable, easy to test, multiple niches. The second option, digital products, selling files people can download instantly. Digital goods are one of the highest profit online hustles because you create once and sell forever. Example, you can sell templates, resumes, planners, business forms, books or guides, Notion dashboards, printable ads, social media content packs. Why it works? No shipping, very high profit margin, fit for easy, gun road, or your own site. The third option, affiliate marketing, commission by recommending products. You share products links through social media, blogs, YouTube, TikTok. When someone buys through your link, you earn commission. And this is an example of images it generated where it worked best. Product review videos, niche blogs, fitness, tech, beauty, home, social media pages, email newsletters. Why it works? No customer service, no inventory, passive income once content rank or go viral. If you want, I can create 3 more side hustles or help you choose the best one for your skills. Would you like more ideas or step-by-step plan for one of these? So you can add further prompts. You also have option for you to add images or file. Select this plus. It gives you option for you to generate image, homework helper, create a draft, start deep research. Can upload from camera, photo, or files. So this is information I thought to share with you how to install and download Microsoft Copilot. Thank you very much indeed.